Hi everyone, welcome to the CaseGuard Studio training course. In today's video, I will cover bulk audio redaction on credit card information, also known as PCI. Everything I'm going to cover in today's video can also be done on any type of file, including video, document, image, PDF, and text files. CaseGuard Studio has a feature called the Watcher. To access the Watcher, go to the left-hand side of your workspace and locate the Watcher tab. Click on the tab and pin it. At the bottom of the Watcher tab, you will see the Add Folder to Watch button. Clicking on this button will open up the CaseGuard Watcher pop-up window. Here, I can name my watch. For this example, I will name it PCI-redaction. Here, I tell the system what I want it to watch. We're going to watch a specific folder, and I've already created this folder and call it PCI-input. Select folder. Here, I tell the system which folder I want the redacted files to go to when they are completed. I name my folder PCI-output. Click Select folder. I do want to mention that the folder can be on your local machine, a shared drive, a server, a cloud, or really anywhere. As long as you have access to the file, you can use CaseGuard Studio's Watcher to redact in bulk. Now, here I select the operation that I want the system to perform. For this example, I want to redact audio, but I also have the option to redact video, analyze and redact documents, convert email to PDF, template PDF redaction, template effects, transcribe file, and translate file. I'll select Redact Audio. Click Add. This opens up the automatic audio redaction pop-up window. Here, I select the spoken language. CaseGuard can understand 36 languages. I know these files are in English, so I'll leave it as English, but you can select other languages if needed. Next, I select my redaction effect. You have the option to mute or bleep your redactions. For this example, I'll select bleep. Next, I select what I want the system to redact. I can choose all, and it will cover all personal identifiable information, or I can go through one by one and select what I want the system to remove. I'm going to select names, phone numbers, addresses, as well as credit cards, the credit card expiration date, and the CVV. Here I can add redaction reasons if I need them for any legal reason. I will leave it empty for this example. Click OK. Finally, I want to click Save to start my Watcher. Now, anytime a file is added into my PCI input folder, the system will automatically redact the audio in the file. I'm going to open both my input and output folders and put them on my screen, so I can show you the Watcher in real time. So this is our input folder, and this is our output folder. I have a few sample audio files with credit card information that I will add to my Watcher. You can see that my Watcher has begun. If you ever want to see the progress of the Watcher and what the system is doing, you can click on the Scheduled Tasks button at the top of your workspace represented by a calendar. I do want to mention that watching the scheduler or your file explorer is not necessary, as the system is doing the work for you. I'm showing them to demonstrate how the Watcher works in real time. You can see my input and output folder on the screen. The files in the input folder are being read and redacted. Once the system is finished, it places the original audio file into the processed folder within the input folder. We can see it's moving now. Once all of the files in my input folder end up in my process folder, that means that my audio files are redacted. It's also very important to mention that your redacted file cannot be unredacted. It is permanent. And you can see that the redacted file had _redacted. You can add as many files into your input folder as you'd like, and CaseGuard will run the redaction automatically. Now, I want to play some of these redacted files for you to show how great CaseGuard is at automatically redacting the information we selected from the audio files.
Hello, yes, I have my credit cards here. This card is a MasterCard. The number is It expires. I also have a Visa. The card number.
All right, let's move on to a different file just to show how it works on other files.
Hi there, this is with...
Actually, I can do that.
Okay, go ahead, please. If you could just give me your card number.
Yeah, it's...
Okay, great. And would you mind providing me the expiration date and security code?
Sure, yeah, it's July,
Great.
and the security code is...
Great, and do you have a middle initial? And
Pizza House, how can I help you?
Hi there, I'd like to order 12 large pizzas, half of them meat lovers and half of them regular.
Sure. Can I get your name?
Yeah, absolutely. It's
And your phone number? Sure.
We bleeped phone
And,
numbers and names, which is why they're redacted.
Can I get your address, please?
You bet. It's
Similarly with addresses.
of course. And for the zip.
Perfect. Okay. Can I get your credit card information?
Definitely can. So it's a MasterCard and it's
All right, let's move on to the final file.
Hey girl.
Hey.
So I'm trying to test our application, to see if it's what we were looking through yesterday.
Yeah, okay, I'm there already, so I can see that all I need, okay, can you give me the name on the card?
Yeah, so it's of course, it's her card, and so
as you can see, CaseGuard did an excellent job of redacting names, phone numbers, addresses, as well as all credit card information. You're also not limited to running one watch at a time. You can run multiple by simply clicking on the Add Folder to Watch button and naming your watch and selecting the folders. You can of course redact video, documents, PDFs, whatever you'd like, and any time that you add a file into that folder, CaseGuard will automatically run the redaction with minimal input from you. That's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching.